In order to carry out this repair, we have to switch to the back side of our dryer. First, we want to detach the top hood by removing the screws on either side of the top. We can now undo the top hood from the dryer. In order for us to get inside of the dryer, the screws from the rear plate have to be removed on either side as well. When we've done this, the side plate on the left of the rear can be removed. On the bottom, we can see the engine of the dryer. The tensioner where the belt is tied around is attached on the left side. However, due to the nature of this repair, it is likely that the belt has snapped. Either way, remove it from its position by twisting the engine upwards and loosening it from the axle. Now, in order to put the new belt around the drum, we first must loosen everything that is attached from the inside to the backplate, such as hoses or wiring. On the rear side in the centre, we see the flange. Certain parts from it have to be detached also. The plastic hood cap must first be removed. We then loosen the bolt from the axle. Lastly, we pick the lock ring off with our screwdriver. We can now loosen the back plate where it can easily rest at a small angle in order to continue the repair. We can now put the new belt around the drum. Make sure it's dropped correctly on the bottom also. Now we twist the engine upwards again, so we can put the belt around the axle on the track of the tensioner. Great, the belt has been replaced. We can now reattach the wiring. Put the side plate back in its place and screw it together with the back plate. The hose can be reattached too. To return the flange, we push the lock ring in with our pliers back onto the axle. Now we can tighten the nut around the axle again. Finally, we reattach the plastic hood cap. Only the top hood remains, which we now reattach with our remaining screws.